Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you my favorite method of creating solid granny square. These are examples how it will look like at the end. It's very simple to follow. You will need to know a few things before you start doing this pattern. So you will need to know how to chain, how to make double crochet and how to make treble crochet. This is my pattern. We can start from doing the magic circle or chaining 5, joining them with a slip stitch. I will be using cotton yarn and 3.5 mm hook. I will start with more beginner-friendly option. It's making the slip knot and chaining 5. Then slip stitch into the first chain to form a circle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slip stitch into the first chain. Now we will chain 4. It will count as a first treble crochet. Chaining 4 is the first step we will do in the beginning of each round. For the first round, between treble crochets, we will make 3 double crochets to form the first round. So, making 3 double crochets, it's first, second, and the third one. Now we will form the corner with using the treble crochet. So each corner space is our treble crochet. Continue this pattern 3 more times and then slip stitch to the top of chain 4 space. Congratulations, we finished round 1. Now to start the second round, as I was mentioning previously, we will need to chain 4 again, then make 2 double crochets into the same space, so it will be our beginning of the corner. And 1 double crochet at the same space, and the second double crochet into the same space. So now we have half of the corner here. Now where we had 3 double crochets on the round 1, we will have 1 double crochet into each space there. So it will be 3 double crochets. Now we will form the corner in the treble crochet of the row 1. To form a corner, we will need to do 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and 2 more double crochets into the same space. Now continue with making a double crochet into the 3 next spaces. Repeat this pattern as much times as you would like. Just remember to start with making 4 chains in the corner, which will start your corner of this row basically, and 2 double crochets into the same space. As you saw from the beginning of my video, I have different sizes of the same pattern for my work, so the same action might be continuous, like indefinitely till the desired size. Each row will have 4 more double crochets between corner spaces because we are adding them in each corner of the row below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Please like it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel so you will be informed when I will post the new video.